In light of the current situation, we are implementing a different way to demonstrate our products. Instead of resuming with in-person product demos, we are moving to fully remote demos for the foreseeable future. During these demonstrations, we will present information on the desired display modules, operate demo sets, answer questions, and perform any extra demonstrations. For example, put water on the touchscreen, use gloves, and discuss how we can help you attain the touch features you need for your applications using our tools. It is easy to set up a personalized demonstration. Just go to our website, submit a contact form, and a sales engineer will contact you to set the demo up and discuss the display modules you would like to see.